Looks cool, man.
Thank you.
Can I take a few shots of you? It's free. Hey guys, I'm a street photographer. Is it okay? You look gorgeous, yeah. 1 second. Thank you very much.
I run behind her to take her pictures again. Wait till end.
Vuoi vedere? You are my sister. Wait 1 second. People. Yeah. Excuse me. I was taking your picture today. You look so cute. Can you give me a good smile? I didn't record the video. Look at me. Thank you very much. Oh, thank you. You ladies look amazing.
Huh?
You look amazing. Probably you are Danish.
Yeah.
Are you danska? Yeah. Oh. I'm
Practicing.
yeah, I'm practicing. Yeah.
Wow, it's beautiful. It's very nice. Okay.
Cheers. Thank you. Stay like this. Yeah. Look at me. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Ops. Hola.
Hola.
Mira. El gratis, eh. Mamma mia. Gracias, hermano.